Hello, welcome to Sarah's Cookery Tips. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be making for you some fluffy roast potatoes with rosemary and garlic. Heat the oven. So for gas mark 6, for conventional oven it'll be 200 degrees Celsius, and for fan assisted it's 180 degrees Celsius. Now today I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use vegetable oil or goose fat. The potatoes that I have chosen today are just the good old rounder potato. So we're going to peel about 4 or 5 potatoes, medium size, and then we're going to chop them up into 3. We've chopped them up, we will be rinsing these under the tap to get rid of all the starch. And then once we've done those, they go into the pan and we boil them for approximately 10 minutes. And while they were boiling, I was preparing the ingredients to add to the potatoes. Put as many cloves as garlic and as much rosemary as you like in them. So once the potatoes have boiled, drain them and shake them, because you want to be getting a nice fluffy effect around the edges. This makes, once they've been in the oven, they crisp up lovely. So we take the very hot tray out of the oven. It's been in for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to place the potatoes in the fat or the oil. We're going to season the potatoes with some salt, a generous sprinkle. And then we're going to use the fresh rosemary. Just pop it amongst the potatoes. And then a sprinkling of some garlic over the top. You can always just baste them again, just coat them before placing them in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. And here we are. This is what they look like when they come out. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Be very grateful. Thanks very much. See you soon.